Hi, I'm Matt Neptune, Director of Community Outreach at Mile High Recovery Center in Denver, Colorado. If you or someone you love is struggling with benzodiazepine dependence, whether it's Xanax, Ativan, Klonopin, or Valium, I want you to know that there is help, and more importantly, there is hope. Here at Mile High Recovery Center, we offer benzodiazepine addiction treatment in Denver that's safe, effective, and tailored to the unique challenges of benzo withdrawal and recovery. Let's start by understanding what benzodiazepines are. These medications are commonly prescribed for anxiety, panic disorders, sleep issues, and sometimes even seizures. And when used short-term under close medical supervisions, they can be helpful. But over time, they can also become highly addictive and extremely difficult to stop. Benzos work by slowing down the central nervous system, producing feelings of calm and sedation. But as tolerance builds, people often need more of the drug to feel the same relief. And when they try to cut back or stop altogether, withdrawal symptoms can be intense, even dangerous. That's why professional help is absolutely essential when it comes to benzo detox and treatment. Stopping benzodiazepines too quickly can lead to severe anxiety and panic attacks, insomnia, muscle tension, and tremors, heart palpitations, intense emotional distress, and in some cases, seizures or life-threatening complications. At Mile High Recovery Center, we don't take those risks lightly. That's why our program for benzo addiction treatment in Denver, Colorado begins with a safe, medically supervised taper, often in coordination with a trusted detox provider. Once stabilized, clients enter our residential or intensive outpatient program to begin the real work of recovery. And here's the truth. Benzo dependency isn't just physical. It's emotional, psychological. For many of our clients, these medications have been their only way of coping with anxiety or trauma for years. That's why we don't just take away the substance, we help you build new ways to manage your life. Our comprehensive benzo rehab program in Denver includes one-on-one therapy with licensed clinicians, group therapy focused on anxiety management and emotional regulation, trauma-informed care to address the root causes of dependency, psychiatric support and medication management, sleep hygiene and nervous system regulation techniques, life skills, mindfulness, and relapse prevention, supportive housing for added structure and accountability. We know how frightening it can be to even think about stopping benzos, especially if you've been on them for a long time. But that's why our approach is compassionate, individualized, and paced according to your body's needs. We're not here to rush you. We're here to walk with you, step by step. What's especially challenging about benzodiazepine recovery is that symptoms like anxiety and insomnia can last for weeks or months after you stop using. That's why long-term support is so important. At Mile High Recovery Center, we provide care beyond the crisis. We stay with you through stabilization, skill building, and rebuilding your life without dependence. Our program is ideal for people who develop benzo dependence through a prescription, as well as those who began using recreationally and lost control. No matter how you got here, you deserve to recover with dignity and support. Many of our staff are in recovery themselves. We know what it's like to feel stuck in a cycle that you didn't choose. And we know what it takes to break free. Whether you're tapering off Xanax, Klonopin, Ativan, or another benzodiazepine, our Denver Benzo Treatment Program offers a clear, safe path forward. We also treat co-occurring disorders like generalized anxiety, panic disorders, depression, and PTSD, because benzo addiction rarely happens in isolation. Healing your mind and body together is what sets our program apart. And if you're worried about functioning without medication, we'll help you find other ways to feel calm, grounded, and emotionally strong without risking your life or future. If you're searching for benzodiazepine addiction treatment in Denver, Colorado, we're here for you. Whether you're ready to start or still have questions, our admissions team is available now to walk you through this process. We accept most major insurance plans and will help you understand what level of care is best for your situation. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about our benzo treatment program in Denver. You don't have to live in fear of withdrawal or feel trapped by anxiety anymore. Recovery is possible, and we'll help you get there one breath, one step, and one day at a time.